Welcome back to Computer Studies English Medium Standard 11, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. This is the 7th part of video lecture. In this part, we are going to study about usage of multimedia. Actually, multimedia is used almost in all the parts, but to name few or whatever is given in the textbook, that many are education and training, advertisement, entertainment, journalism, engineering, medicine, mathematics, business, scientific research, etc. So we will discuss one by one. First, we will see the usage of multimedia in education and training. In the field of education, multimedia has great impact. In the past and even today, in many of the schools, the education is given with the traditional method, like reading the theoretical chapters from the textbook, solving the sums of maths on the blackboard, explaining geography using the charts, etc. But nowadays, smart boards and educational softwares, apps, etc. has come in the market, which uses audio-visual to explain the topic. This method is much more better than the traditional one. Due to this method, the students are able to understand the concepts properly. And another thing is, due to audio-visual, the children are able to remember the contents in a better way. Computers are also used to create CBT, that is computer-based training courses. Now, people don't have to travel long distances and attend the meeting. They can straight away learn online. A CBT lets the user to go through a series of presentations, animations, text about a particular topic along with examples. Today, CBT are used for almost all the age groups right from KG to postgraduates. For example, Edument CD or apps like Nursery Rhymes or Learn Computer. Edument is equal to education plus entertainment. Multimedia is used extensively in training programs. Medical trainers and doctors can practice surgery method via stimulation before the actual surgery. Now, whenever the operation is taking place, nowadays the whole operation is getting recorded. So later on, the students can observe that thing, can see that thing, and then put it into practice. Mechanics can also learn how to repair the engines using multimedia. Then recording and broadcasting lectures. Using video conferencing, we can hear an expert speaker from a distant location. Demonstrating surgeries or other techniques that learners may not otherwise have the opportunity to see and later put put them in practice. Usage of multimedia in the field of advertisement. In the field of advertisement, multimedia plays a vital role. Advertisement is the main thing done for promoting and selling a product in the market. Exciting animations, effects, and slogans can make an advertisement popular. This will lead to the promotion of a product. We see so many advertisements today, and some of them catches our attention, and we ultimately end up by buying that product. Nowadays, whatever advertisement we see, whether it is in the printed form or whether it is to be shown in the television, everywhere we can see the full usage of multimedia. Here on the left hand side, we can see the advertisement of Colgate. Colgate is a very famous brand, but you see how the advertisement was made in past. There was only one media element present there, that is text. Photograph was not possible, so the whole thing was to be drawn. Another thing, in those days, colors were also not available along with the text. So the whole advertisement was to be made in black and white. Then, after a few years, color printing came into existence, or color printing was possible to be printed. So there was a little bit improvement. Another thing, that is one more element of multimedia, that is image, was added in that. So later on we can see the image on the right hand side. That type of advertisement was possible. The advertisement of the same product, that is Colgate, we can see such a lot of change in the advertisement of the same product which was done before a number of years, and the advertisement which is prepared today using so many multimedia elements. Usage of multimedia in the field of entertainment. In the olden days, even the richest person on the earth was not as lucky as us to have so many entertainment tools which we are enjoying today, like internet, watching movies, listening to songs, learning and practicing music and dance, playing digital games, using social networking sites, and so many more. Multimedia has played an important role in the entertainment we are getting today. Internet is useful to us to get information on any of the topic. Internet enables us to make the use of YouTube. On YouTube, you get so many videos of your choice. For entertainment, you can watch movies, you can watch songs, or you can get the latest news Besides entertainment, for education also, in YouTube you get the videos on various topics. During the lockdown period also, many of the students may be using YouTube to study, because here so many chapters of so many subjects are explained through audio visual. This is the logo of Star Maker app. This app enables you to sing songs. It provides you karaoke. Besides, it also provides you the facility to sing duet. Two people sitting in different part of the world can sing the same song together. Due to multimedia, nowadays you are able to play this type of video games. Nowadays we are able to use so many social networking sites. Just if we try to think, the long lockdown period was so long. Now, if the social networking sites and internet was not there, then just try to think what would be our condition, how to pass so many days sitting in the house. Multimedia is heavily used in the entertainment industry to develop special effects in animations and movies. Movies like Bahubali, Jurassic Park, Avatar, etc. will always be remembered for their special effects and animations. Besides movie, multiplayer online games are also very popular today. Besides, virtual gaming has become a reality today. Here, there are two images. In the right hand side image, we can see a lady sitting on a horse with wings. But really, how the scene was shot, we can see on the left hand side using the green color background. So, these all things are possible with the softwares which are capable of giving this type of special effects. A scene of the movie Jurassic Park. In this movie, with the usage of special effects, dinosaurs were picturized. Almost all of them may have seen the movie Bahubali. In this movie, we can see a lot of usage of multimedia and special effect softwares. Avatar was really a very nice movie. In this movie, with the help of special effects, the aliens coming to our planet and those all things were beautifully described. Nowadays, this type of video games are also coming in the market, in which you have to wear this type of thing on your face and then play the game. This gives you a virtual reality. You feel as if you are present inside that game. In the field of journalism, multimedia and internet connection plays a very important role. We sitting at our home, we sitting inside our house can get the knowledge of what is happening around us and what is happening all over the world. This is all due to internet connection and the multimedia facility. Today, we get all the news very fast through WhatsApp, online news channels, televisions, and other medias. Now, in WhatsApp, many a time we get the fake news, but every time the news which we get through WhatsApp is not fake. There are many groups in WhatsApp wherein only admin can post, and they are run by the news channel from where we can get the authentic news. On the right hand side of the screen you can see one of the groups chat of WhatsApp. Then another thing, from YouTube you can get the current news which is shown in the TV. And of course, through television you get all the news. Multimedia enables us to get the news in the printed form. Printed magazines and newspapers are published periodically. Here we can see the image of an old newspaper dated November 11, 1918. Now, that time, only there was one media element present in the newspaper, that was text. Nowadays, e-newspaper and e-magazines are also available online, where we can see the videos related to the particular news also. And another benefit of this thing, e-newspaper, is that suppose an Indian who is staying in USA wants to get the local news of India, then he can open the e-newspaper and get all the news. Another benefit of e-magazine or e-newspaper is that here, along with the news, video also could be added. In the printed form, video cannot be added. Another thing is, there is no limitation of space here in e-magazine. So, the number of images on the single news content also could be seen here.